3 things that are going to happen for the O-level students who are going to a JC. But before that, this is Yong from Vantage Tutor, a class above the rest. This is my first time on YouTube and I'm going to do a brand new series.
What to expect?
Oh, by the way, I have a free trial class and free open house coming. More details to drop, so don't forget to watch all the way till the end. Basically, in this whole entire year from January to December, I'm going to break down in the individual months what you are going to expect as a JC1 going into your JC journey. And of course, now January is starting and you are going to get your O-level results. I'm going to start your journey together with you. Some of you may have seen me on TikTok before. I'm the guy behind the Prelim Paper Review Original series where I break down JC prelim papers from math and chem and then tell you what are the useful papers. And of course, for some of you, maybe you have seen my skits. You have laughed along with me for my skits. And so today, I'm going to tell you the 3 key events that are going to happen in the month of January so that you are prepared as to what is to come. Firstly, you are going to get your O-level results. Your O-level results typically comes out between January 14th to 16th and it's been confirmed by MOE. From the past few years, we have seen that the O-level results usually is being released on a Friday and therefore they are talking about 16th January. And on the day itself, obviously, you are going to care about your score, but most importantly, look at the slip of paper where they tell you all the courses you're eligible for. You can see your raw score after your CCA and higher mother tongue deduction, and most importantly, you can see whether you qualify for JC or not. And I know some of you may be wondering, what else can I do with my O-level results? What else should I take note of? I have actually released a whole video on my TikTok a couple of years back and I'm going to put it on my Telegram channel, which you can join for free. And in my Telegram channel, there's plenty of resources that you can use as a JC or even a secondary school students. From my prelim paper review summary to my breakdown of the individual L1 R5 score and the JC you're eligible for, and even free resources in terms of practice for your H2 chemistry and H2 math. There is really nothing for you to lose. So what are you waiting for? Join now and I'll see you there. And the next thing that is going to happen in January is a whole lot of open houses. Shortly after your O-level results, there will be a string of open houses that you are eligible to attend, from the JCs to the polys. Typically, the JCs will have their open house immediately after your O-level results and then you can just go in, get some freebies, meet some teachers, meet some students. And the point of all this open house, whether it's for poly or JC, is really find out how you feel about the whole place, whether a place suits you or not, regardless of what everybody else says. Your gut feeling is going to matter because the JC journey is going to be tough, it's going to have a lot of work, there's going to be project work as well, you're going to be hard pressed on time for most of your assignments and your tests. And therefore, it's important for you to consider the traveling time, the vibe of the place, the teachers in the school, and just the general vibe of the place. For example, I had a student who just graduated this year from the 2025 A-levels. He told me that he actually saw me on my live and he followed my advice. He went to CJC, which is a school that he didn't intend to join at all. But then upon stepping into the school and meeting some people and seeing some teachers, he realized that place is the place for him. And believe it or not, when I first saw him, I did feel that he belongs in CJC. I really thought that he was from a boys' school, but he was not. And turns out, these 2 years was some of the best time of his life. So don't take my word for it. Follow my student's example. Just go to all the open house and just find out how you feel about the place and then make an informed decision. Not necessarily based on logic, but based on how you feel. And the next part, arguably the most important part, applying for your JC or your poly. Now for the poly students, sorry I don't have too much experience, I don't have too much that I can share that could be valuable to you. But for the JC students, if you have seen me on TikTok, since 2023, I have been releasing some of the videos for the breakdown of the different JCs in terms of the vibes of the place, in terms of the student culture, in terms of the homework, in terms of even your exams. Based on my 8 years of experience teaching the JC students, I have broken down in terms of your L1 R5 score from the 2-pointers to the 6-pointers and even the 20-pointers who may be considering MI and Poly. All these videos are again found on my Telegram channel. Just click on the link and you'll be able to access them. But the most important thing about applying for all this JC is the obvious thing. Please pick the school that meets your cutoff or at least just 1 point away. It's a system-based thing, meaning if you score 11 and the school system only accepts 10, they are blind to your name, you will not be eligible. Of course, sometimes the school may have improved or they scaled backwards in terms of their score, and therefore very often I recommend students to actually pick a school that is 1 point away, just in case you could be the lucky one to get into your desired school. And for students who want to find out a bit more about the individual school culture, you can tap on my experience teaching all these students. I have the tutorials for math and chem from all these different JCs where you can see firsthand whether the questions will suit you. Come in. I'm recording. Just sit. Yeah. Why very early? And in case you're wondering, yes, I have something for you. Last year, I actually held a free open house for all the students to come in and see all these tutorials firsthand. And more importantly, in the individual hours, I will be teaching some basic level H2 math and H2 chem so that you can find out whether this subject combination will suit you even before you enter the JC, so that you have a head start and you know exactly what is suited for you and what's not suited for you. And for the free trial class, it will be on 15 February 2026, Sunday, 1 PM onwards. I will be teaching you H2 Chem and H2 Math. And how do you find out? Just join my Telegram channel and you'll be the first to be informed. No sign-ups, just walk in and you get some free drinks. And so this is what January is going to look like for you. And if you want to find out about February, you know what to do. Subscribe on my YouTube and follow me on TikTok. Nothing else, this is Yao Le from Vantage Tutor, a class above the rest. Take care.